Forget everything you know about compact AMGs. The legendary 2.0-liter turbo four-cylinder is officially history, and in its place stands a zero-emission weapon that targets Black Series levels of performance. This is the mind-blowing all-new 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLA 45 4MATIC Plus Electric. Making its global debut in both sleek sedan and gorgeous shooting brake body styles, this compact powerhouse brings advanced axial flux motor technology straight from hypercar development down to the street. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are breaking down its triple motor layout, the wild AMG Force S Plus tactile simulator, and its class-shattering 330 kWh ultra-fast charging. While regular versions of the new electric CLA rely on conventional electric setups, Affalterbach has re-engineered the CLA 45 with a specialized triple axial flux motor configuration. You get two completely independent motors dedicated strictly to the rear axle and one highly intelligent 225 kW booster motor up front. Combined, this architecture forces out a brutal 500 kW. Which translates to 680 horsepower and an unbelievable 1,297 pound-feet of instant torque. This gives it infinitely variable torque vectoring capabilities that can shuffle power between individual wheels in milliseconds to rotate the car mid-corner. Drop your foot, and the electronic wizardry launches this 2.3-ton machine from 0 to 100 km/h in an exotic, shaming 2.7 seconds, running all the way up to an optional top speed of 270 km/h. Feeding these hungry motors is a massive 94 kWh usable lithium-ion battery pack. Thanks to an innovative silicon oxide anode chemistry, energy density is up by 20%, unlocking a highly impressive range of up to 670 km on the WLTP cycle. And because it utilizes a bleeding-edge 800-volt electrical architecture, it handles a 330 kWh DC fast charge, adding 270 km of range in exactly 10 minutes. By deploying specialized triple-motor torque vectoring and matching it with an incredibly deep sensory simulator, Mercedes-AMG hasn't just built a fast EV. They have successfully translated the soul of Affalterbach into the electric epoch. It launches across Europe and global markets as an absolute flagship halo. Would you take this 680 horsepower electric monster over a traditional gas-powered sport sedan? Let us know in the comments down below, hit that subscribe button for DRX Automobi, and we will catch you in the next breakdown.